Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some useful baby accessories. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is baby gym playing mat. You can buy it online within $50. Second one. This is extra large play yard for babies. You can buy it online within $120. Third one. This is baby ear protector. You can buy it online within $20. Fourth one. This is water mat for babies. You can buy it online within $15. Fifth one. This is portable baby travel bag. You can buy it online within $60. Sixth one. This is soft blanket for babies. You can buy it online within $25. Seventh one. This is baby mosquito net for Stroller. You can buy it online within $10. Eighth one. This is baby banana toothbrush. You can buy it online within $10. Ninth one. This is 11 storage pocket backseat protector for kids. You can buy it online within $30. Last one. This is comfortable fit baby carrier. You can buy it online within $50. So, today we are looking for some useful baby accessories. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.